Hello everyone, and welcome to another video of Introduction to Microsoft Excel for Beginners. Now in this video we'll be looking at hyperlinks. Now so far you've been using the hyperlink option. Now let's also try using the function, right? So hyperlink function, right? So still using this link to Netflix. Okay, so what I'll do is my equal to sign will come equal to hyperlink. All right, so my file location, so that's going to be my address. Let's say my web page address. Okay, I've closed it. All right, so let me copy it over here. So that's my web page address. Then I enter the file name. All right, so let's say the file name is visit Netflix. Okay, I close my bracket, I hit enter. So you can see that this link has also been created, and this was done using the hyperlink function, right? So I can just come and click on it. Oh, alright, sorry about this. Okay, it's coming. So you can see that it's opening over here. Okay, so you can see that's opening over here. All right, now we come back and also try using the hyperlink function to link to a specific file location within a specific file location. Okay, so I'll go back to my documents and try and get a file location, then we can use that one for this example. Okay, so I have my path now, so let's also try using the hyperlink function to link a specific file within our workbook. So equal to hyperlink. Alright, sorry about this. Okay, so hyperlink, then my link location. Alright, so this an Excel file I want to create a link for. Then my file, my name, right? So the name that will appear in the link, let's say overview data, and I close it. All right, then I hit, oh, not trying to type a formula. Oh, sorry, I think, is that a problem? Yes. All right, so you can see it over here. So immediately I click on it. All right, so okay, all right, so yes, I want to continue. You can see that my overview file opens for me. All right, so that's how we can also use the hyperlink function. All right, so let's continue. Now after you've looked at this, now to also format a link, right? So now let's look at how to format or maybe remove links. So to remove a link, for example, let's say with the illustration 1, to remove that link, we select the cell where the link is located, and we right click, then we scroll down. Right, when you scroll down, you can see remove link over here. Right, remove link, then we just hit on it to remove the link. Right, and now we can just see it as a normal text entered into the cell. Right, now to also format the cell, right, or to format the hyperlink, we use the same formatting option we use in formatting data entered into a cell. So here we can bolden it, right, we can increase the font size. So as you can see, we can increase the font sizes, we can remove the underline or add the underline, we can italize it, we can give it a different color. So for example, we can give it color green. All right, and we can also fill the cell, right? And all these are very important, especially when we are dealing with maybe data visualization and all those stuffs. So we keep those ones also in mind. Okay, now we come back and look at common issues. So common issues when it comes to hyperlinks. Now with hyperlinks, the first issue is broken links. When you talk of broken links, it occurs when the destination file or cell is removed. All right, so for example, if you look at this over here, all right, so the formatting data link, immediately we click on it, it takes us here. Now I'm going to delete the hyperlink sheets, sorry, the formatting data sheet. Then we see how the broken links, or the issue with broken links I'm talking about. Okay, so let me delete this. Okay, let me hide it rather. No, I think I'm not needing it in this video, so let me delete it. So I delete. Okay, now when I come to my data, right, the link still exists, so let's click on it and let's see what happens. So reference isn't invalid, right? So all these are some of the issues that is with regards to broken links. And another issue is the fact that another issue is the fact of non-clickable link, right? So you must always ensure that our links are formatted correctly. For example, links to websites, you start with HTTP or HTTPS, right? So let's see how that one also occurs. So for example, looking at this, all right, so let me open the hyperlink. So I can right click and open the hyperlink. Sorry, let me close it. I think there's no what I need. All right, so let me try and get it. Okay. Now let me edit the hyperlink. So for example, let's assume I take off this. Okay, so I take off this. Okay, now if I click on this, you see what happens, right? Okay, so let me click continue and see what's happening. Cannot open the specific file. Alright, so currently, because the HTTPS isn't there, I think Excel sees it as a file rather than a website that we placed over there. Okay, so you should also make sure that the HTTP and HTTPS are always there, because it's a common issue that mostly occurs in dealing with hyperlinks. Alright, so this will be the end of this lesson. We entreat you to subscribe so that you don't miss the next upload or the next lesson. Alright.